Are you enchanted by a captivating colleague, someone whose beauty and personality have left you mesmerized? In the quest to win her over, it's not about being extraordinary, but about mastering the right moves. In this video, we unveil a set of proven strategies to help you successfully pursue the woman of your dreams. Create a presence in her thoughts. To capture her heart, you must linger in her thoughts when you're not around. Constant proximity can breed disinterest and even make you appear creepy. The magic lies in making her miss you. Absence not only makes the heart grow fonder, but also sparks genuine interest. Allow her the space to contemplate your absence, and you'll find her attraction growing stronger. Embrace the challenge. Women often adopt the hard-to-get role, presenting a challenge for potential suitors. The key is not to view the pursuit as a quest for a girlfriend. Many make the mistake of trying too hard to impress, but what women truly appreciate is someone unafraid to challenge them. Don't be the one who agrees with everything she says. Instead, let her know she's not the sole focus of your attention. The less you chase, the more intriguing you become. The art of genuine listening. Understanding her world begins with attentive listening. Focus on her words, making her feel valued and important. Nothing dampens a connection more than the lack of attention. Engage in the conversation, injecting humor and adding your unique perspective. Ensure she walks away feeling that conversing with you was enjoyable, increasing the likelihood of future interactions. Sincere compliments go a long way. Complimenting a woman genuinely is a powerful tool. It not only lifts her spirits, but also demonstrates your keen observation and appreciation of her unique qualities. Keep compliments short and sincere, focusing on details that make her special. A genuine compliment transcends physical appearance, conveying respect, trust, and hope. This simple gesture can forge a stronger bond between you. Taking the leap, making your move. Ultimately, all the prior steps lead to the crucial moment of making a move. Approaching her with confidence and relaxed body language is paramount. Maintain eye contact and a warm smile during the conversation. This is where the groundwork pays off: focused listening, genuine compliments, and a connection built over time. Don't hesitate to ask for her number. It's the final piece in the puzzle. If executed correctly, expect a call sooner than you anticipate. Winning the heart of the girl you desire requires thoughtful planning and strategic execution. While you contemplate, others may already be making their moves. Seize the opportunity, put in the effort, and watch as your efforts translate into a meaningful connection. If you found these strategies helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.